This is why you need to know about the storm of the century. On March 12, 1993, the storm of the century slammed the eastern U.S. This massive cyclone stretched from Canada to Central America, impacting 26 states and over 130 million people. Record-breaking snowfall buried the Appalachians under 4 feet of snow. Even New York City got 10 inches, while Birmingham, Alabama saw a rare 13 inches. Hurricane-force winds gusting up to 100 miles per hour caused coastal flooding and storm surges. This deadly storm claimed at least 318 lives and left over 10 million people without power. The economic impact was staggering, $5.5 billion in damages, or over $11 billion today. But every cloud has a silver lining. The storm led to big improvements in weather forecasting and emergency preparedness. The National Weather Service predicted the storm 5 days in advance. The 1993 storm of the century remains a benchmark for severe winter storms, showcasing the devastating impact of extreme weather. Stay informed and stay safe. Want more weather history? Don't forget to subscribe.